Hello everybody, we've got visitors in our tree. Sorry I can't really get a good shot. There's too green. This tree is just too green. But that's him there. They're pretty. Rainbow Lorikeets. Hello pretty Rainbow. Oh, there's one. Further, closer. Hello. And a butcher bird. Hello, butcher bird. What are you doing here? And a bee. There's a bee. And it's got all these little white flowers all over it. And two dogs under it. I think I still have to lop it, get it removed, sadly. But I'll replace it with another tree that the birdies would like. It's just too big and too close to that neighbours. So I'm worried about the damage it might be doing next doors. WrestleMania. We're interested in the little birdies. Well hidden in there. They are, Rosie. They are. Yes, they are, Dad. Wonder what they think of these guys. Oh no, zimmies. Zimmies time. And grass. Good grass there. What are you doing, you silly girl? Yeah. Hey, big boy. Your poor sister. Yeah, it's great, Eddie. Enjoy the backyard. Backyard's there to be enjoyed. Silly girl. Having fun? Oh, great. Now I've got a hole. If it's not dry enough already, I get a hole. Crazy boy, eh? Well, there is one there, but I don't know if I can get him on camera. Squeaking away. 'Cause he's really in moved. Oh, there he is. I'm standing on tiles, trying to get a photo. Can't really see his pretty colours. The sun's in the way. Pretty baby.